So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always you are ready to learn a new strategy. So today we are going to talk about one of the most talked or one of the most favorite strategy by the traders, that is Excel strategy. How exactly it works, I will be explaining that one, how to apply it manually, automatically. I will be explaining everything, so just stay tuned, stay connected. A complete package of information is going to be there for you. So those who have joined for the first time trader, this is a request. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, so you will be able to connect with us, you will be able to talk to us. And Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then where we are talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates, and this is the official page of Olymptrade. So make sure you share the link with your dear ones so that more and more traders can join us, more and more traders will be able to connect with us, and we will be able to help. We will hardly wait for next 30 seconds, and then we will kick off today's conversation, and where I will be explaining that how this strategy works. And traders, let me tell you one more thing, that if you are not on that specific level where this strategy is unlocked for you, no need to bother yourself, no need to buy the strategy. I will be explaining that how exactly it works. And comment section is already active, so in case if you will be having any doubt, question, query, feel free to write me over there. And of course, please confirm me, trader, if my video and audio is clear, so that I can start the conversation without any disturbance. Okay, so we can see that a few traders have already joined. Pradeep Kumarji, hello, very good evening. How are you? Priyanshu, hello. I hope you are doing good also. Okay. So I can see that we are already on time, so we should kick off today's conversation without wasting any time. So traders, the strategy which you have already checked in the description section also, or which I have already mentioned, is Excel. How to apply this strategy, let's talk about that one first. Go to the technical analysis button, start scrolling down at the third strategy of advanced level holder. So these green lines, these are indicating that it's a advanced level strategy. This can be used for FT and FX, which means fixed time trading, and Forex, both of them. Once you click on that one, a small piece of introduction video is going to be there. In case in future if you skip something, of course you can explore it from there. And at the same time, the session which I am going to conduct today, that is going to be saved in the playlist part. You will be able to find it there as well. In this one, all we are going to use the momentum oscillator will be there. Once I'll click on enable strategy, the complete setup, whatever is required, is visible on the screen. It's already applied. Now for those traders, those who are not having that advanced level so far, and they are looking to use this strategy, so what exactly you need to do? All you just need to apply momentum with the period of 14 and 9. That's it. So no need to buy that strategy. That technical tool is available in the section also, in the oscillator section also. So once you click on that one, so let me show you. So see, 14.949. So the same by default frequency is also going to be visible. Once you apply that one, save the strategy and click on next. So your strategy will be ready to be used for free. So again, I am repeating myself. No need to buy that strategy. That can be applied manually also. Let us just confirm me in the comment section if audio video is completely fine, so that we can dive into. Just 1 second. Okay. Perfect. I have checked from my device also, so everything is looking fine so far. But still, in case if you will be facing any difficulties, traders, feel free to write me in the comment section. Okay. Now let's talk about that how exactly this strategy works. So let me zoom in my screen. So traders, the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop, and that is in the form of in the portrait mode. Okay. So if you are using a browser version, of course you will be able to apply it over there as well, and you can use it there as well. Okay, now in this strategy you need to focus on one more part also, that your screen should not be too much zoom in and too much zoom out also. The reason is that when you will be using this momentum oscillator, so you will be finding that there are three basic frequencies which you need to focus on, which is the first one is 100.154, second one is 100, and third one is this one. So if you will zoom in, so what you will be focusing on, or what you will be finding, that the distance between these two is lesser. If I zoom in again, so that is going to be lesser again. So you just need to make sure that this 100 level is somewhere in the middle, because this is the level which is going to play a very important role. How exactly it is going to work? So when these momentum frequencies is going to intersect the 100 level, that can be the direction of the market. How exactly? So if these momentum indicators, these momentum frequencies are intersecting the 100 level in the upward direction, market can move upward. At the same time, if the intersection is in the downward direction, market can move downward direction. Okay, now let me zoom in again for you. So these are the things which you need to focus on, and the major hold or the major focus should be on this blue one, on this blue frequency. So whenever the blue frequency is going to intersect the 100 level in whichever direction, that could be the direction of the market. And then we will be using this strategy for minimum 1 minute chart time frame, and 2 to 3 candle trade time frame is going to be the suggested one. So that's how exactly this strategy works. Still, in case if you have skipped something, if you have missed something, nothing to worry. Now I will be using this strategy on your during the session on my live account. So of course, if you will be having any doubt, I believe that everything will be cleared, but still if anything will be missing, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, now traders, before starting this live action, a couple of information important points which I want to share with you. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, do not make a huge investment in a single trade, or do not, I'm so sorry. Yeah, make sure you spend some time, learn about the strategy, and then start making investment. Learn about the market first. Just 1 second. Yeah, this is the first point, and this is one of the most important also. Second thing, whenever you are like all the trades which I am going to execute during this session, everything is going to be depending on my skill set, my practice. So I will be the responsible one for my own trade. Third one, this is just a technical tool which is based on some mathematical calculations. So there are no such technicals which will be promising, or there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest a huge capital in a single trade. And the last thing, that even though this session is live, but still there is a telecast cap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the conversation or the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. And that thing can lead to some negative results also if you will try to do some copy trading. So please avoid doing copy trading. Just focus on the strategy, learn about the strategy, and then try it on your demo account. If everything is working fine, then take it to your live. Okay, so Rider Crazy, today we are using Axel strategy. In this one, we are using momentum with the frequency of 14 and 9. And I can see that so many comments are there. So hello to everyone. Priyanshu, I'm so sorry. Today we are not conducting any challenge, so there will be no RFTs. Today there is going to be a hardcore information set. And I believe that information is more precious than RFTs or funds or something like that. Because see, understand one thing, Priyanshu. If you know how to use this information, if you know how well, how to use any technical tool and make profit, then I don't think that you need risk-free trade or you need funds, because you can generate your own capital. So this is something which we are always suggesting to traders, that okay, I completely understand that RFTs or something like these things, they are going to support you for a shorter time span, but always focus on a bigger goal. That is information. So I believe that you should be focusing on that also. Okay, so hello sir, good evening from Philippines. Very nice, very nice. So I can see that we have a viewer. He has joined from Philippines, and I must say that Philippines is a very beautiful place. It's a lovely place. So thank you so much, sir, for joining. Thank you so much, and hello to the complete Philippine also. Okay, so traders, you can also like rest of the traders also can share that from where they have joined. So that will be very exciting for me to know that from which part they have joined, and till where I can reach out. So this is always like we are always focusing on that to serve the bigger community, so that we will be able to help our traders, we can help our fellow traders. Let's start the live action. Let's try this strategy on the live trading. So let me fix the screen. Okay, so we will start with the basic one, and then we will try to use different setup. Okay, so Baricha, hi brother, I'm from India. Nice. Of course, like that is a beautiful place also, because I am from there. Okay, so while you saying, sir, what is today's topic? So sir, today we are talking about the Excel strategy. Riders crazy, I will try to cover RSI also, but currently today we are talking about this strategy, so we need to cover this one. But in case if there will be some time spare, then of course I will try to talk about RSI also. Okay, so we have some traders from Nigeria also. So Nigeria, India, Philippines, I think like one day I will be able to cover all across the globe, that all across the globe people will be joining, and I would be very excited for that, to see that. Let's see when exactly it happens. Okay, so let's move to the live action. Let's hunt for the signal. So we will keep on switching our assets, we will keep on shuffling our cards, and wherever we will be getting any opportunity, we will try to grab it. Okay. Okay, so let's see. No signals so far. This is one of the drawback also for this strategy, that if you are applying it on a very small screen, so then you need to make sure that your screen is not too much zoom in or zoom out. This is something where you need to focus on. Rest everything is fine. Let's try. But if you apply this strategy on the bigger screen, like on the browser version, then I believe that could be a different scenario. Let's see. So one signal is there. Market tried to move into the downward direction, but market switched the direction and again bounced back. No worries. Let's see if we will be able to grab anything. And again, I'm suggesting minimum suggested time frame is 1 minute, and trade duration is going to be 2 to 3 candles. So we will be focusing on that. Okay, so again it's a bounce back. Let's see. Let's look forward for more and more signals. And irrespective of this asset, the set of rule is going to be remain same, so no need to make any changes in that one. Okay, so intersection was already there, and we are quite late on this asset. No worries. Now traders, you might be focusing that there are two basic momentum indicators. Both of them are intersecting the 100 level, but we will be focusing on the blue one first. That will be our first priority to consider. Okay, so let's look forward for more. And one more thing, like once you will be able to grab a hold on this strategy, there is one more set of rule you can try to implement, or like you can try and test. If that works for you, of course you can continue with the same. So when these momentum will touch the maximum or the minimum, then market can continue in the same direction for a couple of candles. But this is something which I have observed. Once you will be trying this one, you can also implement that one on your demo account. If you are also able to grab a hold on that one, of course you can try. Okay, so let's open at least one trade. So I have executed my first trade, but let me tell you traders, this is not on the basis of strategy. This is based on the resistance level. Market was trying to breach that level, but I am focusing on that thing, or I am observing that the market is not able to breach it. So on that basis, I have executed that trade. You can ignore that one also, because this is something which is not related to today's conversation, today's strategy. Okay, so we can expect a signal sooner or later on this asset, USD CHF OTC. Market is trying to breach this level. Let's try this one. Okay, so we have executed our first trade, USD CHF OTC up for $10. Let's see if this trade will go positive, and we will keep on hunting. We will keep on switching assets. We will keep on moving from one asset to another asset. And traders, one more thing, I have opened one trade. Now I have started my hunting again. But with you, there are no such compulsion that you do not need to showcase it to anyone. Just open one trade, wait for the result, then make your next step. Then analyze whether you want to use your risk management, whether you want to use your money management. Mean to say, if the trade was negative, you must use your risk management. You should decrease your trade capital. If the trade is positive, then you can think about increasing the capital, but you should use your money management. So these are the things which you should always focus on. Do not start making trades back to back. How many minutes keep for one trade? Okay, so deep Theron, so suggested time frame, minimum time frame is 1 minute, and the trade time frame is 2 to 3 candles. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, trade is going to be for 2 or 3 minutes. If the chart time frame is 2 minutes, then 2 candle is going to be 4 minutes, 3 candles are going to be 6 minutes. So that's how exactly you are going to analyze. You can use it for a longer time duration also, or a shorter. The minimum time frame is 1 minute, not less than that one. This is something which I will suggest, because the longer the time, the lesser the risk is going to be there. So this is something which we are always suggesting to do. Okay, so first trade was negative, the second one is also looking negative so far. Let me have a look on this one. Let's have a look on this one first. Viral video, I'm so sorry, but the name of the topic was mentioned on the top. That is the reason. Let me do that. I'm so sorry. If you want to have a look on that one, let's do it. So I believe this is fine now. You can see my balance. Okay, so let me do one thing. Just 1 second. Okay, so or let's hide it. So I believe that now it is visible to everyone. Okay, so how many trades? This I have already answered. Okay, let's look forward for more signals. Let's look forward for more and more. Perfect. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling cards. We will keep on looking for. Sir, you are getting more profit 91, but I got only 90. Priyanshu, that is completely depending on your status on the platform also. And if you are getting 90, then of course I am sure that you are on expert level also, so you should also get the same. So from here you can observe. Go for Asia composite. Okay, Abhinav, let's have a look on Asia composite also. And traders, this is something which I always appreciate, that in case if you want to try to you want me to try any specific asset, feel free to write me in the comment section. I will try my best to take a trade on that one. So what exactly will happen? So I will be using my skill set. I will be using the strategy which we are discussing on that specific asset. So you will be able to analyze that whether you are able to understand the strategy or not, and at the same time you will also you will be able to observe that how exactly it works. If I would have opened the position at the beginning of this candle, that could be a better result. The reason why I have opened the trade on this one, that is because of the resistance level. Now let me give you some idea about this also. I have already lost 1000, so please tell me time and trade and your WhatsApp number. Kanban struck, I can answer your first question. I am so sorry to know about that you have made some losses on the platform. I'm so sorry to hear that. But I can tell you only the time and trade, but not my WhatsApp number. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to make personal contacts with the traders, and as per the litigation we are not allowed to do that one. But you can connect me here, of course, and I will be guiding you with all your concerns. And okay, I'm on advanced level. Okay, so Priyanshu, that is the reason that you are on advanced level and I'm on expert level. And when you move to the starter level, your profitability on the same asset will decrease. Once you will reach on the expert level, it will increase also. It is obeying this strategy, right? Asia trade, Asia composite trade. Sir, on Asia at that time there was no signal as per the strategy itself. Okay, let's have a look on different assets. Let me open at least 1 or 2 more trades, and then I will come back to the comment section. And whatever the doubts, whatever is questions you have, I will be talking about that one. Okay, so nothing so far on Ripple also. This is something which exact like, you know, sometime it happens that you need to keep on hunt for this for a perfect signal. Sometime it will take some time also, but I believe that you should stay patient. Like, you should not, you know, show some eagerness, or you should not take a trade in out of curiosity, because sometime an early decision can lead to a negative result also. So rather than having a negative result, what I will suggest, just stay calm, keep on switching the asset, and wherever you will be finding a signal, you can execute the trade. At the same time, if at one specific signal you are not sure what exactly you can do, you can reduce your trade amount. It's not compulsory at all that I have to trade with $10 only. I can increase my capital also, I can decrease my capital also. It's my capital, and this is something which I am telling you also, that whenever you are trading on the platform, make sure you invest as per your comfort. There is no one who is going to tell you that you should make an investment of that one. And you might have observed also, like, whenever we are you know, talking about any strategy, we are always discussing about chart time frame, trade time frame, strategy, how exactly it works, what is the setup flow. But we are not talking about ever that you should invest $10 behind every trade, $50 every behind every trade, because that is going to be your call. Okay, so let me show my Asia trade also. So my Asia trade, that was a no profit no loss. That was okay, so that was supposed to be going negative side, because I opened that trade. Let me show you something on this trade. So I was trying, or I was planning to open this trade at the beginning of this candle, and if we would have managed to do that one, of course that trade was supposed to be positive, but we were quite late. That is the reason that I have used a RFT also for this. Okay, can it be used for forex trade? I mean, yes, Abhinay, you can use this strategy for the forex also, but for that you need to apply it for a longer time duration. There are first one, then okay, so there is one more comment. This is M and W strategy. M will be bearish. Sir, that is a candle pattern or something which you can focus on, but for now, if we will try to keep the thing simple, so then all you just need to focus on the intersection of this is 100 level. That's it. There can be a signal now, so let's look forward for more. Sir, which strategy I use? Sir, that is completely depending on you, that which one you have used. And Canman Struck, just give me some information that what is your level on the platform, and if you were using any strategy also. Okay, so Mr. Devarajan, he said a very nice thing, that first learn, then remove the L. So what exactly he's saying, that learning, first learn, then earn. This is something I am always suggesting, that keep learning, keep earning, because trading is not always about investing money, it's also about investing time. You need to make enough, you need to invest enough time so that you will be able to make some profit. I think currently this 2-minute chart time frame is not working proper, 2-minute trade time frame is not working properly, so I believe that we should increase the time frame. So what exactly I have done, I have increased the chart, I have kept the trade time, I have kept the chart time frame 1 minute, and I have increased the trade time frame to 3 minutes, because this is something like these are the changes which you need to make. And even though US market is about to open, so of course we can expect some sudden volatility, some sudden changes, so let's try to take some precautions on the basis of that. Okay, so let's see if this level will be breached, and we will keep on hunting for different signals. Okay, so this one is looking nice. Let's keep on shuffling, let's keep on moving from one asset to another asset. Okay, Euro CAD OTC, let's see if we have any opportunity on this asset. Okay, no, still it's taking some time. And trader, that is the reason that we always suggest that do not stick to one specific asset. The reason behind what exactly happens, so sometime your mind will start making some perception that this is something which recently happened on the on that specific asset, so that can be the repetitive action. Sometime it happens, sometime it doesn't. But if you will stick to one specific asset, then sometime your mind will stick to that part also, that this should happen. and you will start taking trades on the basis of assumptions, and this is we always suggest to avoid doing. And sometime what exactly happens that you are trying to explore a signal on one specific asset, you are just staying calm there, but after some time you are getting frustrated and you are not able to use that strategy, or you are not able to open any specific trade. So you will start taking some random trades, and that lead to some negative results also. So the best which I can suggest, keep on shuffling your cards. Wherever you will be finding any signal, or you think that there can be a signal sooner or later, then you can stick to that. There was a very nice signal on this asset, so we can see that there was sharp intersection of 100 level, and after that market continued the same direction, but we missed that one. No worries, no worries, no worries. We will keep on hunting irrespective of the asset set, whether it is a composite, whether it is a currency pair, anything. We will just keep on focusing on different assets. We will keep on exploring them, and wherever we will be finding any opportunity, we will be taking that trade. So I am expecting that sooner or later there can be an intersection. Now see, let me show you one thing, traders. Now if I'll zoom in, so I can see that there is a gap. If I'll zoom in, then the gap is lesser. If I'll zoom in a bit more, so 100 is already touched. So this is something that what exactly I was talking about, that it should not be too much zoom in and too much zoom out, so that you will be able to get a clear picture. Okay, so again market is quite close to that. Let's stay connected to this asset. Let's stay stick to this asset, wait for the signal, and let me take a few more comments. Okay, I'm in this strategy. Viral video again, sir. Show your Asia composite previous trade result. Okay, I think that was also negative. Yeah, that was also negative. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, so we have executed this trade on the basis of this intersection. Now if we have used a 3-minute candle, so I believe that could be a better position. There was a very nice breach also at the same time. We missed that one. No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. We will keep on shuffling. We will keep on, and this is something exact. Traders used to happen. Every day is not Diwali. Every day is not Christmas. So of course, every day is not profits also. There might be some days when you will be facing some losses. So just stay calm. No need to bother yourself. Just stay connected. To the market. Just stay consistent to the strategy or the set of rule. When you are getting 2 to 3 trades negative, that doesn't mean that your strategy is not good. That means that the market is not able to be grabbed by that strategy. So just stick to your set of rule. Just stick to your take profit or stop loss. Stay calm. If 3 trades were negative, that doesn't mean that the 4th, 5th or 6th or every trade is going to be negative. There is a possibility that there is some volatility in the market, and that is not leading to some positive results. So that is completely fine. Okay, so Abhinash, thank you so much for your signal, but I believe I have missed that one. Sir, where I can join your signal for update? So Baricher, we are not giving any live signals. We are just giving live sessions where we are talking about different technicals to help you with them. Trade 10 rupees and return is more than 100. How? Mustafa Muhammad, I am so sorry, I didn't get your question. Trade 10 second and return is more than 100. How? Like what exactly you are talking about? Okay, I used Excel from yesterday night and till now I have good profitable trades. Himanshu, I'm happy to see that. Now some traders might be finding that I'm getting some negative results, and there are some traders those who are making back-to-back profits also. So that is also depending sometimes that we are not able to grab a hold on the strategy, or we need to spend some time to check that which exactly, like where I am lacking behind. And once you will be able to grab that one, of course you will be able to use that strategy in a better way. Okay, so let me try this one again. So let's go back to the previous investment amount. Let's check compound index if we can find any signal. And traders, so far any doubt, any question, feel free to write me in the comment section. And apart from Himanshu, if any another trader he's using this strategy, feel free to write me in the comment section. Share your experience, whether you are able to make profit with that or not, or if you are facing some difficulties or any skill set or any doubt you have regarding this strategy, you can ask me. Or in case if you don't know how to apply this strategy in the by the manually mode, just let me know in the comment section. I will be explaining that again. Or you can just move that session to the backward, and then you will be one good trade is better than 10 bad trade. Exactly, Mr. Devarajan, this is something which I am always used to tell the traders, that sometimes some traders are stating that, sir, if we are taking 100 trades and out of 100 trades 60 trades are positive, or let's assume 60 trades are positive, 60% success ratio is there. At the same time, the another trader who is making 50 trade and 40 trades are positive. Now some traders will be saying that, sir, he is making 60 positive trades, so which is a larger number, or which is a more as compared to the 40. I completely understood, but you should also focus on the negative trades. How many trades the first trader lost, and how many the second one. So this first trader, he has to recover 40 trades amount, and the second one he has to recover only 10 trades. So this is something which we always suggest that you should be focusing on. It profit me, where will get your strategy next day? It profit me, but where will get your strategy next? Berichar, if you are talking about that from where you can learn the next day strategy, or where you can learn about the different strategies, so then what you can do, you can subscribe this channel, be part of the family, because every now and then we are conducting sessions on this channel. So we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Indonesian, like different languages are available. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can join as per that, and at the same time you can explore the playlist part also. In playlist, whatever the sessions we have conducted in the past, everything is available, so you will be able to track everything. I think market is not in my favor right now. Everything is going against me. No worries. We'll still stay calm. No need to bother ourselves. We will stay calm, and once market will be stable, of course we will start making some profits. And trader, this is a mindset I believe that you should also have. Sometime it happens, like whatever the technicals, whatever the strategy you are using, whatever the mindset you are using, you might be facing some losses. It's completely fine. Accept it and then stay calm. Because understand one thing, the basic rule, on the first and foremost rule of trading, what exactly it says, you can make capital only if you have capital, or you can make money only if you have money in your trading account. And having money in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposits again. That always means that whenever you are using any strategy and you are making some losses, try to hold your capital so that you will be able to trade it for a longer period. And this is something which every trader should focus on, or every trader should implement. Let me try this one. Okay. Okay, Mr. Devarajan, sir, Malayalam language is available. I'm so sorry, sir, but regional language, local languages are not available. I'm so sorry. Like, we are having Hindi or Urdu available. But if you have reached on expert level, or if you are an advanced level holder, then we can try to arrange a callback. I think we have a Tamil, Telugu and Kannada speaker also available, but that is for personal session. But I'm so sorry, so far we don't have any Malayalam speaker. That is the reason that we conduct sessions in English also, so that we will be able to cover majority of the region. Okay, so I found this strategy better works on forex. Himanshu, that is completely depending on trader to traders. It's these strategies are like a medicine. There is a possibility that a medicine is working for me, that might not be working for you, or something is working for you that might not be working for another trader. So this is how exactly it works, and that is the reason that we always suggest that whenever you are picking any specific strategy, make sure you try it on your demo account first. Once you will be able to grab a hold, then take it to your live. If you are not able to do that one, then try to explore it in a better way. If still you have some doubt, you can connect, ask the financial analyst. Still, if anything is not working for you, then you can switch to the next strategy. rather than making losses by using while using any specific strategy. I am not stating that whether you are learning from me or whether you are learning from my colleague or from any another source. That is completely depending on that how exactly it works for you. But when you are using any strategy, do not think like that my last 10 trades were negative, so this is not a strategy that which I should rely on. That's not how exactly it works. I was supposed to, okay. So all you just need to stay calm. You should open minimum to minimum 100 trades and then try to conclude whether that was working for you or not. I was about to open this trade for 2 candles, but I opened for 3, and now that can lead to some opposite results, because this trade I have opened on the basis of support and resistance, and on that basis that trade was supposed to be in a positive side, but now the market has breached that level and now market is moving in the opposite direction. No worries. Okay, so Abhinav is there. Sorry sir, I thought today Hema sir will be will come, and I was tired, so I get slept. No worries Abhinav, like you are always present there, so this is very always excited to see. But no worries in case if you are late, because as you might be aware that this session will be saved to the playlist section, so you will be able to find it from there as well. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling. What is the best time in East Africa to trade? Sir, see, there is nothing like that when the back-to-back positive trades will be there or back-to-back negative trades will be there. Like there are some traders, those who are making profits in US market also. There are some traders, those who are struggling with Asian also. So there is nothing like which can be generic. It's always about that whichever time you are using, just stay consistent to that, and just like whichever time you are doing your practice session, you should stick to the same one. This is something which you can opt, or this is something which you can pick. But as per like if you want a overall time, then what the best which I can suggest, or the something time window which I am following. So what exactly I am doing? I am trying to avoid taking trades during the US session. So that opens up at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time is GMT plus 5.5 hours. So you can analyze as per that, like what is that time in your country, so you can act accordingly. And there are basic 2 reasons. First one, sometime I am finding that there is more volatility, and sometimes we just need to switch our assets, or we need to switch the set of rule which I am following. And second thing, majority of time I am already done with my take profit target, like with the profit which I want to make in a single day. I am already done with that one, so that is the reason that I am not trading after that. This is the only YouTube sessions when I am trading during these time windows, because I have to showcase that how exactly the strategy works. But majority of time I don't trade during these time windows. Okay, so as per your suggestion, I practice some trades with Millennium with stochastic at currency pair. I got 80% profit raise. Thanks a lot. I hope first I hit 100 trade target, then I will go to the real account. I am happy to see that you are able to grab a hold on your strategy. This is something like which you can use, because the Millennium strategy, that is a trend following strategy. At the same time, stochastic is going to help you with the counter trend positions. So this is exactly you can try to follow. So what exactly will happen, Abhinav? This is specifically for you. So what exactly will happen? So when the momentum is giving you some indicator that market can move into that specific direction, but stochastic is in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone, then just stay calm. Just wait for the reversal and then follow the momentum. So when the market is between oversold and overbought zone, then you can follow the Millennium. And when the market is out of that, then you can follow the stochastic. So you will be having it's like you will be having weapons in both of your hands, that if somebody is coming from this side, you are able to shoot, or from this side also. So you will be able to grab the market from both the sides, with the both the hand. Sir, my main problem is market is when I take some trade, get loss, I am okay with it. But when I close my day in loss, I can't bear it, then it just forget my stop loss and take more and more trades. See, Abhinav, understand one thing. There might be some days when you will be making some losses. You can take a quick example of my day also. Like today, like the trades, majority of trades which I have taken, majority of them are going to negative side. But still I am calm. The reason being, that I know if I will be holding capital, only I will be able to make it. So this is something which you should also focus on. Market is going to be open by tomorrow, day after and every day, but you will be able to trade in that market only if you will be having capital. And having capital, I am always used to say, having capital doesn't mean at all that when you will be wiping out your capital, you will make another deposit, and when you will be making some losses, again you will be making deposit. It always means that whatever the capital you have invested, you should try to use it for as long as possible. Now some traders, what exactly happens? So some traders, they consider that $100 is equal to first trade for $15, second trade for $30, third trade for $55, and that's it. But I believe $100 is not only $100. These are the 100 opportunities to make money on the platform, and you will be able to use it up to the maximum extent when you will be using the minimum amount. Now, of course, there might be some traders, they might be telling, Kunal, then how we will be able to make bigger profit, or how we will be able to grow our capital. I completely understand that when you will be making smaller investment, that will be hard for you to grow it quickly, but slowly and gradually you will be able to do that. At the same time, when you are using your risk management, then of course you can use the second part of, or the second side, or the opposite side of the coin, which we called money management. So you can do that also. So how exactly it works? So if my $1 each trade are positive, I will increase the trade amount to 1.4 or 1.5. Again, my 3 trades were positive, I'll increase it to 2. Again, 3 trades are positive, I'll increase it to 2.5. So what exactly I am doing? I am accelerating my speed toward my take profit, and I am increasing my profit. At the same time, if my $4, $5 or $6 trade will go negative, so that is not going to be deducted from my capital itself. So that will be deducted from the profit which I have generated. And when you will be facing some losses from your capital, from your invested amount, from your deposit, and when you will be making your losses from the profit, make sure you consider them in a separate way. Some traders, what exactly they do? They try to correlate them. So if there is a trader who made a deposit of $10, he make a profit of $20. Now total he is having $30 in his trading account. After some time he made a loss of $25. Now they should focus on the $5 first, because that was the money which they have added from the pocket. Then they should focus on the $20 profit which they made from the platform and they have lost on the platform. I completely understand that was also your hard-earned money. You have spent time on that, you have spent effort on that, but if you will be having a mindset that I have $5 pending in my trading account and I need to recover 25, then only one scenario will come into the picture. Let's invest $5 and let's see what happens. And I can tell you one thing, 90% or 95% that trade will go negative, because there is no calculation, no analysis. It's just a hardcore prediction, or it's just a hardcore emotional trade or a revenge trade. But when you will be focusing on that, okay, I have $5 in my trading account, I need to make 5 from that. So that is going to be a bit more better situation for your mind to understand and to tackle that. So this is something, trading is not only about the taking trade back to back. It's always about to, staying calm, use your capital and trying to align your mind in such a way that you are always calm. And then start taking trades. Okay, so what is the next comment? So my main problem is this one, and get more and more loss and wipe out my capital. So this is something I have already mentioned. I use Friday strategy and my success rate is 60%. It's a great success rate. Like if you are able to grab a success rate of 54%, and if you are taking trade with the same amount throughout the journey, like if you are taking trades with the $10 each, and your profitability is on an average of 90%, so 54% is a break-even point, 53, 54, where you if you will be able to manage to have that one, so your account will be on a 0. It's a break-even point, no profit, no loss. and once you will start increasing from there, then you will start making profit. So you have a 60%, which is 6% more than that. Just stay stick to your trading plan, just stay stick to your take profit, stop loss, money management, risk management, and 60% is going to help you to make profit. Sir, at weekends I feel that markets are moving different. Majority of the candles are either very fast or very slow. Should we change strategy or just see, Abhinav, it's not like that. Market is having different volatility. That is completely depending on the market scenario. At the same time, you can switch to strategy also, or you can take a break also. If you take like my example, what exactly I do, I am trading only for 5 days, Monday to Friday. That's it. Hardly in case if some festival is going about to be there, or like any any special occasion is coming there, so at that time if I need some extra funds, then at that time I am doing that thing. I am trading on weekends also, but majority of time I am just trading during the weekdays. Okay, so let's take a few more. Let's at least try to take a single trade, and then we will come back to the comment section. Traders, still if you have any doubt, just feel free to write me in the comment section. Okay, Singh Saab, hello. Manishi, hello to everyone. Noman Khan, hello. Brother, don't have any issue with withdraw money. What is the maximum one-time withdrawal? See, Udayji, that is completely depending on the payment method you are using. So different payment methods are having different limits. Like if I talk about the cryptos, USDT, they have a very nice handsome limit. At the same time, for the IMPS, I believe 50,000 in a single transaction. But there is one more thing I want to share with you. So in case if your limit is for an example 50,000, okay, and you have 1 lakh in your trading account which you want to withdraw, so what you can do, make one withdrawal. Once that will be processed, you can initiate the next request also. So that is completely fine, because see, we also understand it's a trading platform, so you might be able to make a capital. So of course you will be making a withdrawal also. So in case if you are not able to withdraw that complete capital in a single transaction, that is completely fine. Just make the maximum withdrawal. Once that will be processed, you can initiate the another one. And at the same time, once one of them will be processed, you can initiate the next at the same time. So no need to think about that like there is a limit on the basis of days, or on the basis of something like that. In one day we can make only 1 withdrawal or 2 withdrawal or 5 withdrawal. Once one is processed, you can initiate this second is processed, you can initiate the third. So this is how you can go on, sir. In Manishji, I am so sorry, today's conversation is only for the English speaking community. So if you are more comfortable with Hindi and Urdu, same channel, on the same channel we are conducting sessions in Hindi also. These sessions are conducted on every Tuesday and Thursday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We are conducting sessions in Hindi also, so you can join us at that time. And at the same time, if you want to talk about the same strategy, if you want to learn about the same strategy, just do me a favor, go to the playlist part, open the Hindi playlist, start scrolling it down. You will be finding every strategy with the name. It's mentioned in the description, so you will be able to find it. It's the name of the strategy which we were discussing today, that was Axel. So you will be able to find that thing. So just do me this favor, and at the same time, Tuesday, Thursday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we are conducting sessions on the same channel, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And traders, again requesting to everyone, in case if you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe it, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect with us. Today market is quite very volatile, but still we managed to book a few profit. We booked a few losses also, but that is completely fine. It's a part of a day, it's part of trading. Every day is not going to be stay same, and that is one of the reason that whenever we are setting up a take profit, then the stop loss is lesser than that one, or stop loss is 60 to 70% of that one. Let me give you one quick example also with the exact calculation also. For an example, that you have a take profit of $100, and your stop loss is 60% of that one, which is $60. Now 3 days you book a profit, or let's assume that was 70%, $70. Now in 1 week, in 7 days, you book profit on only 3 days, and losses were there for 4 days. So 3 days is equal to 100 into 3 is equal to 300. Now 70 is your stop loss, so 70 into 4, is 280. So you book a profit of 300, you made a loss of 280. So still after having more negative days, still your account will be in positive with $20. Now some traders will be stating that, Kunal, what we are going to do with $20? Completely understand that is not going to be a huge capital. Now understand one more thing. You book a profit, you made a loss out of it. So what exactly there is extra to that? Your capital. Your capital is also saved. That is still saved in your account. So it's not going to be only $20 in your trading account. That is going to be $20 plus your capital, which you have invested in the beginning of the week. Now you might be observing one more thing, that whatever the capital you have invested, that worked for you for 7 days and still that is available. And now there might be some traders those who will be able to relate with that one, because what exactly I'm trying to teach you, that use your capital for as long as possible, so that will start decreasing your number of deposit, and that will help you to increase your number of withdrawals. And I believe this is the main objective of every trader who have joined, who is going to join, who has joined in the past also, or those who had taken the session in the past, to make maximum withdrawals and minimum deposit. But what exactly nowadays we are doing? We are making maximum of deposit and minimum of withdrawal. So traders, try to flip that coin, try to work on that mindset, and then you will be able to understand that what is the true power of trading, how you can grow your capital and how you can increase it. So the last trade was positive also. Let's have a quick look on all the assets. And traders, in the meantime, if you will be having any doubt, question, any comments, you can drop me in the comment section. And traders, now this one is for me. So I have shared so much information to help you. Now give me some information to help me to improve myself. So the conversation which we had today, whatever I have tried to teach you, just give me some quick feedback on that one. Out of 5 stars, you can give me 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. In case if you are going to give me 0, that is completely accepted, that is completely welcome. No grudges, no hard feelings. All I just need to get some feedback, so that in case if anything is required to be updated, of course I will be. Sir, what are the market sessions timings so I can avoid trading? See, Abhinav, let me tell you the best one. Try to avoid or trading in the US session, or you can do one thing if you want to trade throughout the day. But the best which I can suggest you, take a quick break from 6:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 7:50. This 30-minute window, that should be it. How long have you been trading here, brother? So Udayji, one thing I need to tell you, that binary trading is not legal or not, that is I'm not sure about that one, but this platform is not binary. Binary, what exactly it means, that you will be just making some fluke. Market can move up, market can move down. Kohli is going to hit a 6. A specific player is going to be clean bold. So this is binary. Or you can just analyze the previous, his form on the pitch, or max to max if he is having any injury or something, but not more than that. So that is binary. But on our platform, you can make an analysis, you can use technical tools, how exactly it works. You will be observing market is moving in that specific direction, or as per the market movement, technicals are also responding whenever the fundamentals are releasing in the market, the direct impact is visible. So it's a hardcore trading platform. If you are focusing on like last candles were red, next can be red, last candles were green, next can be green, this is the way you are trading. So that can be considered as a mode of trading which you are doing, but that is not a binary trading platform. And all across, like if I'll talk about me, I am trading on this platform from almost 7.5 or almost 8 years. And if I talk about the availability of this platform in Indian market, this last September we have completed our 11 successful years. Okay, so still, if you will be having any doubt, questions, queries, traders, feel free to join me in the next coming session. So thank you so much, traders. Thank you so much for your precious time. It was lovely talking to you. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning, and whatever we have learned today, please make sure you use it on your demo account. Then take it to your live account, and in case if any doubts will be there, feel free to join us. And make sure before winding up to today's conversation, feel free to subscribe the channel, so that we will be able to connect again. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much, traders. This was your host. This was your financial expert, your buddy, your friend, your elder brother, your younger brother, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Take care. Happy weekend, everyone. Cheers. Bye bye.